Hey foodies, welcome to Flavor of Cook. Today we will make Paneer Khurchan. To make a Paneer Khurchan, first put a pan on a medium flame and add 2 teaspoon oil. Now we will add half teaspoon cumin and let it crackle. Add 2 chopped green chili. Add 1 chopped onion. Now little roast it. Now we add ginger garlic paste and roast it little. Now we will add 1 chopped capsicum. Add 1 chopped tomato. Now roast all for 2 minutes. Now we will add salt as per taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add half teaspoon coriander powder. Add half teaspoon cumin powder. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. Now little roast it. Now we add 1/4 cup of water and mix it well. Now we cook the masala by keeping the lid on for 5 minutes. Now we remove the lid and stir it little. Now we will add 200 gram of paneer. Add chopped coriander leaves. Now mix it very well. Now cook the paneer by keeping the lid on it for 5 minutes. Now remove the lid and little stir it. Now we add 2 tablespoons fresh cream and mix it well. While stirring the vegetable, keep in mind that the paneer should not break. In this way, our Paneer Khurchan is ready. Now we serve it on a plate. Did you like this recipe? If yes, then like, subscribe and share your experience with us.